Well, it's finally time. I'm going to start C-notching and lowering the rear end of my C30. So today I'll pull the bed off. I got to clean the frame up and paint it with frame paint. Got something similar to Pour 15. C-notch it. Hopefully that doesn't take too long. Axle flip, get the axle on top of the springs instead of under the springs. And the rear end of this thing will be real low.
One down.
Okay, want to go straight in front of that? Yep. The other one?
I'm on it.
You won't be able to fall very far. Yeah. Okay, this is going to work just fine.
Wait a minute. Hanging on the bumper for some reason.
Is it?
So maybe the bumper was just sprung and it's coming up. That's what. Yeah, raise it. You're clear.
Let me check the gas tank. There. Hung up on this one for some reason. That one's loose, this one's not.
Probably just stuck on the gasket.
I really cannot tell what it's stuck on. Wonder if I just need to undo the hoses. All right. Should be good to go up now. Feed these wires through.
Looks like you got a wire hanging up back here. You want to check those wires right there. Looks like. Are they undone?
No.
That goes to the trailer hitch plug.
Oh, there's a little plastic clip here.
It's a what?
One of those little plastic clips.
Oh,
It's holding that whole harness.
so you own it to me.
I think I'm scratching the back of the cab. I'm gonna pull forward a little bit.
All right. Pull forward and I'll raise it up. You can get it clear. I'll raise it up a couple inches as you pull forward.
Okay, just a sec. There's these gas filler hoses are stretched tight as a banjo. Okay, I own it. Nice. I'm gonna power wash that frame before I do anything,
Oh, yeah.
because it's disgusting.
Oh, yeah.
There's been some damage in this corner before.
And that's 35, 40 years old.
Yeah. This will be easy to fix now. Get those smiles out of it. I definitely need to order some new mufflers. I'd like to get those replaced before I get the bed back on, so I'm going to get some probably thrush mufflers like I put on my little hot rod and replace them. I think I'm going to have to replace a little bit of this exhaust tubing, but not a whole lot. And obviously I need to build some tailpipes for the muffler back. They're gone. So I'll get the pressure washer out and wash this. See how it cleans up. Now I'm just going to put a wire wheel on the grinder and put some earbuds in and go to town cleaning this up. So any rust that's on here is just surface. It's not affecting the structure of the frame. You can see here where there's a little flaky. That's what I'm gonna hit with the wire wheel. I'll get it cleaned up as best I can. Certainly not gonna get perfect. But this truck is going to be a driver. I'm not gonna put this in car shows or anything. So I'm just gonna get it cleaned up and treat it to prevent it from rusting more, and then paint it with the frame paint. So I'll get started on that. So that's about as clean as I'm gonna get it. Got it out in the sun here. I mean, it's certainly isn't perfect, but it's got all the scale off, any loose stuff. Looking good. So I'll spray it down with some of the cleaner. Behind me, I've got this frame completely cleaned and treated with the primer. I think it's just muriatic acid that you etch the steel with. So I've cleaned all the loose rust off, sprayed it down, followed the instructions on all the cleaning and priming applications. The paint says you can brush it on or roll it on or spray it on. I'm opting to spray it on just to save some time. I've opted to spray it on. So the paint does not take any thinning agents or anything, so hopefully it sprays pretty good. It's made to encapsulate any rust that's there, so it stops the rust, and seal the steel so that no more moisture can get in there. It says it's flexible. The paint that I'm using is a KBS frame coating product. So hopefully it works pretty good. All the reviews are good on it. So I'm gonna get set up and spray this. So this is the product I'm using. It's a KBS is the brand. It's made just for frame paint or bare metal type of paint. Says it seals and prevents corrosion. So satin black's the color I chose. You can get it in gloss black. I think you can even get it in different colors. I just bought it on Amazon. So it's single part. Doesn't say to thin it or mix it with any hardeners or anything. So I'm just gonna give it a real good stir. Pour it in the cup and get spraying. Not sure what PSI to set the sprayer at. It's a little thick, so I'll experiment a little bit and see if I can get a good spray pattern and get this sprayed on. We'll stir this up real quick. There's a lot of solids in the bottom of the can, so gotta stir it real good. There's a lot of solids in there. Definitely thicker than what I'm used to spraying through the gun, so hopefully it sprays good. If not, I'll have to start rolling it. Definitely running better, but certainly not as thin as urethane or whatever. Okay, hopefully this spray's good. So far it's turning out pretty good. I got all the parts of the frame painted that I'm going to paint. It looks pretty good. I'd say on a scale of 1 to 10, it's about a 3, maybe a 4. It's probably better than that, but it's a big improvement of where it was. Next video I'll post, we're gonna start putting the C-notch in. I did notice that this top leaf spring is broken, the main leaf spring that ties from front to back on this side. So I've called and ordered replacement leaf springs this morning. They should be here in a couple weeks. I just ordered the top leaf spring, the main leaf spring, because I'm going to split this leaf spring pack up when I lower this. I'm putting airbags on it to assist with load. I'm going to pull probably 3, maybe 4 leaf springs out of this pack to give it a little bit better ride for cruising. The airbags will be there just in case I want to tow something to supplement the leaf springs that I pulled out. Super excited about this and can't wait to put the C-notch kit in.